This is pretty fascinating. What is this?
An instrument that I'm playing while I'm doing.
I know, that's amazing. Look, and we're on the screen as well.
The camera.
Yeah. Where about are you? Great sound, seek silence. Yeah, I did like that sentence. So we are in the Goldsmiths University, and we're at the exhibition here about the sonic and visual art
And there's
titled Great Sound, Seek Silence. There's some really pretty music.
Yeah, let's see if if the phone can hear it.
I don't think, no, only you can hear it if you put it on your ears. But I like what they were saying here, that
Oh yeah.
they're talking about Taoist philosophy celebrates the interplay of opposites, acknowledging the value of emptiness and inaction. Can silence be the new noise? We ask. So what do you reckon? Can the silence be a new noise?
No.
So obviously what you can
Silence is when
do-
you are shushified.
They're playing different types of music, and you can basically put it on and listen to some really beautiful
Yeah.
music. Is it beautiful?
Or can you listen? Can you hear it now? I'll put it. If you heard it, say yes in the comments section.
And there's also sort of, yeah, I think your legs are reflecting. Look on the wall. Can you see? You are part of the artwork. And it's in South London. That's right. I know, that's right. So we're back in. We do love their events, don't we? Okay, so let's go and explore what else we can find. And this is also an interesting piece of artwork.
Look at this.
Okay, let me see. I can see you're experimenting. Okay, let's go and see what's in the other rooms. It's actually inside the church. So let's go. This is pretty fascinating. What is this?
An instrument that I'm playing while I'm doing.
I know, that's amazing. Look, and we're on the screen as well.
The camera.
Yeah. But what does it say?
Look at this.
I know. So basically, this is an AR body music, and it's an interactive performance. And the AR body music is created to encourage everyone play the Chinese instrument, which is called guzheng, without training, and it uses AR tech to track your hands, turning your body into a musical instrument. So basically, this is turning your body into a musical instrument.
Okay.
This is amazing. I know.
There's the camera. Look, if I try and point my finger at the camera, which is that way,
Yeah,
I go to the room.
this is pretty cool. I love this. Oops. So you are basically playing the instrument with your body movements. You want to do some more playing?
Yeah. And
Okay.
what happens if you play this?
No, you're just playing it by your body movement. That's the whole point. It's like magic. I had no idea you could play so well.
Hello. So I am Chen Yuan. Now this is our pieces. We have three artists. I'm Tian Yan Zhang and Wei Ling and Ding Zhang.
These two.
Yeah, these two. Hello. Yeah, cool. So this piece called Sensing Nature. Our artistic intention is to encourage everyone to feel nature, even though some people cannot go out to feel it because of physical something like that. So they can just feel free to sit down, then touch and feel different
So it's very
fabric.
tactile, yeah, like
exactly.
feathers and
Yeah,
sort
the
of.
sense of touch. Yeah. The whole thing will happen when you touch. Did you hear vibration? Yeah, this is when I touch. And also visual audio feedback will also be generated when you touch after you wear a headset.
Okay, so you touch it and then you feel the vibration and it kind of has a corresponding sound as well?
Exactly, you are so smart. Yeah. So it's your own journey and it depends on what you touch, when you touch and how you touch. Please feel free to enjoy it.
Okay, do you wanna test, Bastian?
Yeah.
Okay, sit down on a chair. Okay. And you tell us how it feels, okay?
And before you start, you can feel free to touch to familiarize with everything.
How does it feel? Can you feel it?
Yeah. Yeah, I feel it.
How is it?
Like this feels a bit like birds' feathers. And this one feels a bit fluffy. But this would be there's certain ones that feel a bit like slimy substance and a bit
Slimy substance, okay.
feathers.
Why not? Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah, that's fun.
Fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you ready to wear virtual reality headset?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Oh wow.
That'll be even cooler.
Okay.
Check it just for you.
Look.
那其实那跟材料你就是
Okay.
对材料什么东西没关系，你可以把它融合在一起。树脂也可以在导向中。
After you wear it, you will see a virtual tree. Looks similar with this tree. Then you will give this tree the second life in the virtual world. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
想用
You feel
Let's
comfortable?
try.
Yeah.
材料我
When you will have fun, I will restart the program just for you.
材料其实完全没有，
Oh my
因为
goodness.
材料如果有些好，
Okay, yeah. So unique. Looks a bit like the ocean.
Like the ocean.
Yeah, it looks a bit like I'm on the ocean floor and there are waves floating. Oh, there's even created, and they even have the name.
Is this what he sees? Is this what he sees? Okay. Basically, oops, this is what Bastian sees.
就是温点化，就是那冷不然不代表什么，就代表什么。就是我们
You're enjoying it?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Is it super cool?
Up there.
Is it really, really super duper cool?
Yes, it is. And it's like a nature.
These artists are
I even feel
geniuses.
like a planet.
Yep, the planet. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, and I see a lot of like branches at the top.
You weren't expecting this, were you?
Yeah, I wasn't definitely.
你就算是普通人，但是普通人看起来
Are you ready to come out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you happy?
Are you happy to transition?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, okay.
对，因为它是软的质地，但是很容易还有它是
Welcome back.
但有
How was that?
That was so super cool.
那我有可以说
You are so talented performer.
然后普通人他是
You've made his day today, okay? That's for sure. Thank you so much. Thank you. Woo.
对，其实也
Hamasa 歌。